the little engineer of the desert. Look at this bird's nest, although it may look like a pile of dry grass at first glance. This is actually a wonderful engineering creation by a small bird to withstand the harsh desert climate like Dubai. While birds in humid countries like Sri Lanka build lightweight nests to escape the rain, in this Arabian desert, birds have to face intense solar heat of over 45 degrees Celsius and fierce sandstorms. To overcome that challenge, this bird mixed dry grass and small twigs with the clay soil of the desert and its own saliva to give the nest a different weight and density. Therefore, even the worst sandstorm cannot shake this nest. If you look inside the nest, it is packed with very fine fibers to prevent the intense heat from outside from entering. It is like a natural AC, protecting the eggs and chicks from the extreme heat. It is amazing how biodiversity finds its way even in the middle of a concrete jungle like Dubai. This bird didn't fight the desert. It adapted to the environment and built a home that fit it. Nature always finds a way to win life.